Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So today I'm going to show you the completion of the false ceiling works and some tiling work. The next step will be to paint the place, the first round, okay, and then followed by the vinyl flooring installation. I just want to show you how I designed the false ceiling, okay, and then the partition, how to segregate spaces, so you have a rough idea how you can segregate your bedrooms, okay, or even your study room. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so we are at the main entrance here. Just ignore the pile of debris here because my guys are going to clear it. So you can imagine that during renovation there are bags and bags of debris that really need to be cleared. Okay, so don't be alarmed when you see such a big pile of debris that needs to be cleared, okay, because this is very normal. As you can see from the previous video until today, there's a lot of reconfiguration of the spaces, okay, especially at the living. Okay, so living, I've opened up the spaces and to allow more light to come into the living. Right, initially it was very dark. There's a lot of cabinet here, and then it's all partitioned up. So this space here will be the living area. The TV console is going to be here. There's going to be a shoe cabinet somewhere here to segregate the entrance foyer from the living. The dining is going to be in this huge space. There's really no limit as to what kind of, what size of table that you can buy. Okay, so as you move along here, okay, this space is going to be the cozy area where there's going to be a suspended table ledge all over the aircon box up. Okay, because there's an aircon compressor outside, so this box up is to box up the bracket of the compressor. So this is the entrance towards the study room. Okay, so for study room, the table is going to be here. Then this is the glass panel. Okay, there's like half fluted, half clear, so a lot of light can still pass through to the living and dining here. Okay, and over this side here there'll be some storage. Okay, so there's two sliding door that slides left and right. So just to make sure that when you have a sliding door, make sure that the total width of the opening, let's say if you halve it, this space here has to be slightly more than half of the width of the sliding door, so that there's some allowance. So sometimes you have those soft closing sliding door, right? They need a catch, right? A catch on top. So when the door slides open, it needs to catch on to something. It has to catch on to a device on top. Okay, so actually you need the extra space for the door to actually latch on to the catch. Here I'm not too worried because it's wider than that side. Over at the common bath, okay, this is a new common bath entrance. Initially there's just a wall, and the original entrance is actually here towards the kitchen. So this one is just one tile, one color tile for the wall and the floor. There's some piping that is being boxed up with tile. Here there's an exhaust fan. So this exhaust fan, there's a power point for the exhaust fan. Okay, so just nice, this box up can cater a power point. Okay, so if you look below, everything has to be tiled up. So once you step up from the common bath, okay, this will be the kitchen cabinet area. This side here is a laundry cabinet. Okay, so there's a walking space towards the common bath. Okay, since the old storeroom has been demolished, I've created a new storeroom here, giving it a bit wider space here, so to throw the rubbish is easier. And then there's going to be a flush fitted door here. There's a door that hides the sliding door. There's going to be 3 panel sliding door. installed on this beam. Okay, so when they are kept, all will be slide into this opening, this pocket, and then there's a door panel that covers up. So everything will be neat and nice. So this is the storeroom. Okay, the DB is going to be inside. Okay, the storeroom. Okay, so as you walk along, this will be the passageway towards the master bedroom. So over here, there's a row of storage cabinet below this beam. There's going to be a flush fitted door here that goes in, open up this way, and once you step in, this will be the walk-in wardrobe, and here will be the bedroom, the master bedroom. Okay, so headboard is going to be there. This niche is actually for the projector, okay, that shines onto this flat wall here. Okay, so all these are partition wall. Inside there's soundproofing rock wool. Okay, so very important. You need all the soundproofing rock wool also for this. Over here will be the walk-in wardrobe. There's going to be an L wardrobe here, some low cabinet there. For the master bathroom, still the same. Everything is all boxed up. Okay, same thing. Right, the switch there, exhaust fan, shower area, shower screen will be here. Okay, storage heater. Okay, the storage heater is going to be installed above here. Oh yeah, just to mention, there's going to be a sliding door that slides into the master bedroom. Okay, so I think you have seen that the spaces have been really enlarged and cater to more practical uses. There's going to be this huge living and huge dining, and then also a practical study room. Okay, so I think all these are very important spaces where you don't feel claustrophobic when you are inside the space. Okay, so open up the space and give it a much brighter feel. Okay, because of the window, open up all the walls to let in more lights to come in. So continue to watch all my other videos. Okay, I'll update you when there's more video coming up. See you in my next video.